Meanwhile, it was the last day of campaigning with Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal courting controversy yesterday by making a bizarre and shocking threat. He invoked the dengue deaths by issuing a threat to voters in Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party convener took political jibes to a new law and said that if one votes for the BJP, then one would be responsible for the spread of those deadly diseases across the capital.
अगर आप बीजेपी को वोट देते हो और कल को आपके घर में आपके बच्चे को डेंगू हो जाए, अगर आपके बच्चे को चिकनगुनिया हो जाए, तो ये सोच लेना फिर आप जिम्मेदार हो अपने बच्चे के डेंगू के लिए.
While the capital is abuzz on the last day of campaigning for the big civic battle, Kejriwal has unleashed his dengue attack on the BJP. Misfiring at the BJP, Arvind Kejriwal offered a bizarre analogy. Vote for BJP and get dengue. The BJP also had a stinging rebuttal to the Delhi Chief Minister.
देखिए, मच्छर के दिमाग वाला व्यक्ति इस तरीके की बात कर सकता है.
The Delhi Chief Minister's comments sparked a mass outrage, and many are accusing him of trivializing a very real mosquito menace that the capital grapples with.
डेंगू चिकनगुनिया इस पूरी दिल्ली के लिए अगर कोई सबसे बड़ा वायरस है तो वो अरविंद केजरीवाल है.
Kejriwal may blame the BJP for Delhi's dengue problem, but his own track record in tackling the disease is far from squeaky clean. When Delhi witnessed a fatal chikungunya outbreak in September last year, Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia was in faraway Finland. Many are calling it a desperate last attempt by the Aam Aadmi Party. Delhi Chief Minister equated voting for BJP to the dengue outbreak in the national capital. Well, the opposition has hit out at him very sharply. The BJP calling it a Chief Minister's desperate move to abdicate himself of the responsibility Delhi trusted him with. The Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that they only want to underline that it is the BJP that is responsible for the cleanliness in the city. But one thing is sure, the dengue problem last year and this year too, it is both the MCD led by the BJP and the government of the Aam Aadmi Party have some responsibility to share on that. Now, how will the voters judge Kejriwal's remark? Sunday is going to be the judgment day. Ankit Tyagi in New Delhi, India Today.
In fact, India Today's managing editor Rahul Kanwal did hold a discussion on the entire controversy with Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashish Khaitan and BJP's Shazia Ilmi.
I want to go across to Ashish Khaitan first. Is there a certain sense of desperation, Ashish, to say that if you vote for the BJP, you're voting for dengue, when the Chief Minister just hours ahead of polling makes comments of this nature? It seems as if it's the frustration that is speaking.
Yeah, right. Rahul, you have asked that what will happen to Aam Aadmi Party and is there desperation kicking in? So first of all, suppose we lose MCD polls, nothing will happen to Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party will continue to run the Delhi government if the centre allows us to continue for the next 2.5 years. And if at all it doesn't allow us, then we will pack up and go home. Aam Aadmi Party is not the question. Aam Aadmi Party is a new party. Aam Aadmi Party, we are not hunkering for power. What will happen to the idea of honest and clean politics? What will happen to the idea of empowering citizens and give them good governance? What will happen to the idea of having honest and efficient civic governance in the city? This city has been reeling under the diseases of dengue, chikungunya, malaria for so many years. Do you want this to continue? What has the BJP done over the last 10 years? Is this election about what will happen to Aam Aadmi Party, or is this election about the track record of BJP for 10 years in MCD elections? In this manifesto, the BJP has come up saying that now we will clean up the garbage. What were you doing for the last 10 years? What
okay, let Shazia Ilmi respond, because the BJP is making the MCD elections about the personality and persona of the Prime Minister. You've been running the MCD now for 10 years. This is real, and if you ask any citizen of Delhi, he will be mighty upset with the BJP. What you've done very smartly is fire all your councillors, go with a fresh slate, try and make it seem as if this election is somehow about the personality of the Prime Minister. Ashish Khaitan says this election should be about the performance of the BJP in the MCD over the past 10 years, and that performance, Shazia, has not been anything to write home about.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to say that whatever Arvind Kejriwal resorted to today was a new low even by his standards. I think it was the most cruel and an uncivil thing to say that people with dengue or chikungunya are responsible for themselves. This is not what a chief minister with a budget of 5,780 crores for health alone says. Two, you're talking and blaming for the crisis, you're blaming MCD alone. Let me remind you that 17 letters were written by MCD alone to the chief minister, who was at that point of time in Bangalore. Of course, the deputy minister was partying in Finland, as we saw all the lovely pictures that you just showed us. But after the 17 letters and even the desire to work together, MCD wrote we should work together. This is time not to fight. But Arvind believed more in confrontation. More than that, there was a strike going on in September 2016, and nurses and hospital staff the problems were not addressed only because Arvind Kejriwal was not available.